This particular machine configured as with a combi beam, so you have segmented tooling with goat's feet. They call it the goat foot tooling on the one side of the beam. On the opposite side of the beam, you have a continuous rail, folding rail, sharp rail. The beam can be rotated between, depending what folds you're doing. It means that you can fold up the long lengths on a sheet using the straight rail, and then rotate the beam and fold up the ends of the sheet for getting in between the sides. You can use goat foot rail. The standard back gauge system on here, which is a straight system. You can have a U-shaped system whereby you can stand at the back of the machine. The controller rotates round and you can be operated from the back. And you can stand either in the middle of a U-shaped back gauge or a J-shaped back gauge for doing the ends of long sheets from the back. Those can be up to 4 meters long on a 4 meter machine with doing 4 meter sheet. Gives you the opportunity to fold up the ends of the sheet, and you have a squaring arm on the side of the machine at the back to make sure the sheet is entered squarely, so it folds up squarely at the front. You've got light guards on this particular machine, which means that if you enter that, the machine will stop. You can get different height segmented tooling. Comes in different segments. Okay, we'll now run a folding demonstration of the Morgan Rushworth in tray.